In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to make a GIF using video on iPhone. So all you have to need, you have to use the shortcut app. So if you don't have the shortcuts app, you can just easily download it from your app store. Open the shortcuts app. From shortcut app, select gallery. In gallery, tap on search and type here GIF and search for GIF. As a search result here, you will find this make GIF. Just tap on this plus icon to add the shortcut. Then go to library. From library, tap on make GIF shortcut. And now from your gallery, select the video, which video you want to use to make your GIF. And then if you want, you can crop your video from here. Then just tap on save. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully converted my video to GIF. Now if I go to my Photos app, here as you can see the GIF. Thanks for watching.